What's up, guys? We're out here at Dragwire Solutions, and I'm about to ride in my very first supercar. Very first one. Actually, this is the first McLaren I've ever seen in person. I'm super excited. Check this out. All right, so we're over here with Lance. Man, he just took his girlfriend for a ride, and now I get to go for a ride. What is this?
So it's a McLaren 765 LT. It makes about 1,050 on 118 octane fuel. Right now we just got it on 93, so it's about 900 or so.
Right.
And it's got downpipes, tune, injectors, bigger turbo, bigger blow-off valves, the whole nine. So, but pretty fun car. It's got rolling anti-lag. It's got the whole nine.
Oh boy, I can't wait. I'm excited. I think I can fit. So you said this is a 2022.
Yeah.
It's got like 8,000 miles on it. It's a toy car, supercar, McLaren. The engine is in the back. This thing is sick, dude. I am digging it. So we're gonna put the GoPro up and he's gonna take me for a ride. It's got paddle shift. Something that was pretty cool on the dash. You can put it in like, what'd you say, race mode?
Yeah, you put it in drag mode. It's even got a drift mode.
It's got a drift mode also?
Yeah, it's got a drift mode. You can set up your angles and everything.
Oh boy.
So the brakes will kind of apply for you as you're drifting. And it's got the aero mode where you can put the wing up and down, and then in the video you can see it in the background, which you'll be able to see when the camera's on.
Okay, yeah.
When we slam on brakes, the wing will pop up straight.
Dude.
For wind, so it'll slow the car down a little bit more.
That is insane.
It's got full ceramic brakes all the way around. And it's got the whole nine. It's fully loaded.
This thing is sick. And y'all fixing to tune it up to get more power.
Yeah, we tomorrow we got a pop and crackle tune.
Right.
And then we got a flame tune. So right now, one is set at 765 horsepower, two's at like 880, three's at 9 something, and then four's 1,000 plus. But tomorrow, probably gonna get rid of one because we don't ever drive it. One.
Right.
It wants to go slow. We're gonna get rid of one and turn that into the flame tune and the crackle pop tune, because when the car got done, I guess they just wanted it to cruise around. They don't like the loud banging and stuff.
Right.
We're different than that. So.
He's a drag racer. So Lance, he's been racing with us a long time. They got no prep cars. They got some radial cars as well. So you're going to see them on Austin's channel a lot. So make sure y'all are subscribed to Dragwire Solutions. And then I don't think Austin's hadn't ridden in it yet, has he?
Get in it with me, dude. You will not get in it with me.
I'm about to get in. Let's go grab the GoPro. I can't wait. Hang on. Dude, I'm digging it. Check this out. Bam. God, that sounds sick.
I'm hoping the anti-lag works. Sometimes it acts crazy.
Boy, oh my God.
That's why I don't put it in track like it. It'll get away from me.
Oh.
It pulls itself back together pretty good with its own traction control. Have you got the traction off?
Traction off, please.
I don't never cut it off. I mean, this car's too.
Was that on or off?
That's on.
Oh, so it caught it.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
You see where it was going if it wasn't.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I mean, it gets away quick.
Oh my
And it's
goodness.
got R888s on it too, so if it didn't have them, it'd really be a fucking slide.
Dude, this thing. This thing, I need some old shit handles over here. There needs to be some handles.
That's fucking quick.
Oh my God. I cannot imagine without the traction control. It'd be wrecked.
Oh, it'd wreck. Yeah,
I mean,
you seen it just spun twice doing it right there.
Because it's not all-wheel drive. If this one was all-wheel drive,
No,
did they make them in all-wheel drive?
No.
Oh, okay.
If it was an all-wheel drive, it'd be really fast. We used to have a
goodness. Sick. Oh my God. And what's wild is, I mean, we barely broke the speed limit right there.
Yeah.
I mean, we just barely got above the speed limit. So I mean, that was a good little street pull. It might have sounded like we were going fast, And it might look like I was scared, but I wasn't really scared. And how much does this car weigh?
2,400 pounds.
2,400 pounds with 900 horsepower. Going from a dig is better than a roll.
Yeah.
Because that right there, I mean, it stayed hooked up that time.
Yeah, I think it shot a really big flame out too.
Did
I
it?
can't see the light out the thing, yeah.
I couldn't see it.
Should be able to see it in the video.
Dude. And dude, what are you shifting it at?
Right at red, so 8,000.
8,000. It sounds like a freaking motorcycle.
Yeah.
It sounds, wow.
And then right here, you just flip that up. It raises your nose up. So.
Oh, no, I didn't even notice it went up.
Yeah.
So you don't scrub it and kill it everything.
Yeah. Because carbon front ends are not cheap. You can ask Joey Wind-up.
I cannot imagine. Dude.
He's came in the driveway going about 15 and knocked one clean off it.
I don't even know how to get out of this thing. Oh my goodness. Dude. Dude. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see the smile on my face, but that was radical. That was the first time I've ever ridden in a supercar, and it was unbelievable. That McLaren is woo! Yes, I appreciate you taking me for a ride, showing everybody on the channel, man. That's a different type of sports car, man. It is, wow. That ain't your grandpappy's Corvette.
Quick.
Dude, I like it. Well, if y'all have never seen the McLaren, if you ever get to see one in person, and if everybody in there ever asks you, do you want to go for a ride? The answer's got to be yes. Later, guys.